introduce myself to you. My name is Dzaky FADHILAH, and you can call me with Randy. I'm from 12 Science 4 and I'm a student of SMA Negeri 1 Jatiluhur. And here I'm going to tell you the procedure of manual about tips how to use microwave for a heavy meal. Let's check it out. And here are cooking tips using a microwave for a heavy meal. Step 1. Read the safety warning instructions that comes with the item you receive. These instructions are very important to understand. Step 2. Plug the power cord into a dedicated outlet. Do not stack with other equipment cable. Step 3. Put the food into microwave safe type container or use the glass or ceramic containers instead of metal container. Step 4. Put the food container into the microwave. Step 5. Close the microwave door properly. Do not start cooking until the microwave door is completely closed. Step 6. Set the time required according to the receipt. If the control is in dual form, turn it clockwise to the start type position. But if the control is digital like this, as you can see, enter the time number you want. Then press cook or start button to start cooking. Step 7. After cooking, do not take the food out immediately. Just let it drain in order not to be too hot. Let the food cool down slowly so that the heat gets more evenly distributed. Finally, the food is ready to eat with delicious taste. Alright everyone, that's all from me about the procedure manual about tips how to use microwave for a heavy meal. I hope it's helpful for you and goodbye.